Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix no post available on Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing to fix this issue is to open up your web browser. On the search bar, simply type in downdetector.com, and once you tap on it, you should be sent to this page. And now check to see if the Facebook server is working properly or not, because sometimes server might be causing the issue to occur that you are facing. Now once you have done that, all you gotta do is try again, and the issue is still there. Then what you need to do is open up your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in Facebook. Just tap on the Facebook and check to see if there is an update option instead of this open option. Sometimes the older version might be causing the issue that you are having, so simply update the app, and once that's done, all you gotta do is just simply go back and try again. Now this probably should fix the issue, but if the issue is still occurring to you, then all you gotta do is just simply go to the settings app and then go to the general, and now tap on iPhone storage, and now all you gotta do is just simply scroll down and tap on Facebook, and now tap on offload app. Then tap on offload app to begin the process, and what this does is it resets the Facebook app, clearing all the bugs and caches which might be leading you to cause the problem that you are facing. Now once the process is done, instead of this upload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once you are done with that process, simply restart your phone and try again, and your issue should be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.